Hello again, my precious. Today is Friday, and here is a new lesson in my channel. It's again about grammar in Ukrainian, and I want your answers right now. If you need some speaking videos or the tips how to speak Ukrainian, please write me in the comments. I will make these videos for you. Again, if you have some ideas about some topics, maybe you don't understand something, so please write me in the comments, and I will make a video to explain you something. Maybe you need to know something about culture, or maybe you need to know what is written in the song, and I can make videos with songs and maybe the parts of films for you to practice. And of course, I am here to explain you maybe some grammar, because I can do it, and I'm here for you to make your learning Ukrainian easier. And again, if you need more Ukrainian in your life, I have a playlist where I read in Ukrainian here. One of them, one of the playlists is there are some French fairy tales, but I read them in Ukrainian. And another part, I read Chipolina's adventures in Ukrainian. So you can listen to this playlist too to practice your listening skills. Okay, so let's start our lesson at last, because I talk too much. Заперечні, займенники та прислівники. Negative pronouns and adverbs. That's pretty easy. It's really easy topic, so I hope this video will be rather short but very informative. Вивчимо нові слова. So, as a tradition, we are going to start with new words, but actually that's pretty easy. To form negative pronouns or negative adverbs in some cases, we just take relative pronouns and put the particle ni before these pronouns. And we have the words. For example, the word where in Ukrainian it's де, but we put the part ni, ніде, nowhere. Actually, with almost with any part of relative pronoun, we can do such things, but it translates in English not so easy as nowhere. Okay, for example, що, we put ні, ніщо, and it translated like nothing. Хто, it's who, we put ні, ніхто. It is translated like nobody. Який, what kind of, but we put ні, and it's ніякий. So it means no of any kind, no kinds of something like that. Чий, it's whose, нічий, no one's. Коли, it's when. Ніколи, it's never. As I said, there, it's where. Ніде, it's nowhere. The same as куди, it's where. Нікуди, it's nowhere too. So, ніде, it's nowhere, just nowhere, and нікуди, it's like direction, nowhere too. Звідки, where from. Ні звідки, nowhere from. Ніяк, there is no way. So it's like don't know how, something like that. Ніяк. When I will show you the examples of usage, you will understand more. Ніскільки, no, zero. For example, скільки тобі грошей треба? Ніскільки. How much money do you need? I don't need money. No money. Zero money. Like something like that. Ніскільки. So, here are the words. That's pretty easy. Let's learn something more.
Ніколи не порушуй ти своє мовчання.
Трохи граматика. Some grammar. Only a little bit of grammar. A little bit. So, the words like ніхто, ніщо, нічий, ніякий. They have cases. And to learn more about cases in Ukrainian, I have two huge playlists. And you can watch there about cases more. But here we just remind you that we have 6 cases, actually 7, but here we don't use vocative case. It's кличний відмінок. So, називний nominative, родовий genitive, давальний dative, знахідний accusative, орудний instrumental, місцевий locative. So, to learn more about these cases, just watch my other videos. I have lots of them, but here just some basics. So, nominative ніхто, ніщо, genitive нікого, нічого, dative нікому, нічому, accusative нікого, ніщо, instrumental ніким, нічим, locative ні на кому, ні на чому. So, хто, it's who for people and all the animated objects. Що, ніщо, it's for things, unanimated objects. Again, the words нічий, ніякий have not only cases but genders. Grammatical masculine, grammatical feminine, grammatical neuter. So, here we have again cases, and here we have again this adjectives, these pronouns. Nominative нічий, ніякий, it's masculine. Feminine нічия, ніяка, and neuter нічиє, ніяке. Genitive нічийого, ніякого. So, feminine нічиєї, ніякої. Neuter нічийого, ніякого. Dative masculine нічиєму, ніякому. Feminine нічиї, ніякій. Neuter нічиєму, ніякому. Accusative нічий, ніякий. It's masculine. Feminine нічию, ніяку. Neuter нічиє, ніяке. And instrumental орудний відмінок. Нічим, ніяким masculine. Нічиєю, ніякою feminine. Нічиїм, ніяким neuter. And last one, locative, місцевий відмінок, на нічиєму, на ніякому, masculine, на нічиї, на ніякій, feminine, на нічиєму, на ніякому, neuter. You can screenshot these parts and watch my other videos about the cases, and write me in the comments if you need more practice. Приклади вживання. Examples of usage. So, here I have some sentences where you can see how we could use these pronouns. So, for example, this famous quotation from the really famous poet Володимир Сосюра. It's a famous Ukrainian poet, really brilliant. He has so much great things, and so read his poems. So here is the quote. Так ніхто не кохав. So no one ever loved like this. So you can Google this poem, it's really beautiful. Okay, here we have ніхто. No one. So, as you see in English, we don't have the double negative. But in Ukrainian we have, and as in English double negative means positive, here double negative means negative. Negative at all. Like this. Ніхто тобі не допоможе, крім тебе самого. No one will help you except yourself. Ніхто не. So, ніколи такого не роби. Never do this. Мені ніколи з тобою возитися. I have no time to care about you. Two meanings, yes? Ніколи, never, don't do that, and ніколи, I have no time. Ніколи, it's on this syllable, and ніколи, That's on the first syllable. Yes? Ніколи. Again, it's never. Ніколи. I have no time. Він виник ні звідки. He just popped up from nowhere. Нікуди ти не підеш. You won't go anywhere, we say in English, or we say you won't go, you will go nowhere. So, but in Ukrainian нікуди ти не підеш, нікуди не. Ніде він не подінеться. He won't disappear anywhere. Or he will disappear nowhere. Nowhere will he disappear. Something like that. So, as you see, we can use it at the beginning of the sentence, sometimes in the middle, and so before subject or yeah, something like this. Before, after the pronoun, and after the subject, of course, we can use it too. Like in this sentence, він ніяк не відреагував. He didn't react, just like that. Or he didn't react in any manner. So, something like that. Скільки я тобі винен? How much do I owe you? Ні скільки. You owe me nothing, or nothing, or no money. I treat. Я пригощаю. So, ні скільки, that's no, zero. No any amount. Це нічия киця. This is nobody's cat. Візьми її собі в дім. Take it to your place. Ніякий він не продюсер, він продюсер. So, he is not a producer of any kind. He is a fraud. Okay, he is fake. Produce with fraud, fake, something like that. So, he is no of that kind a producer. He is not a producer. It will be easy to say so. Ніякий він. So, here are some examples of usage. I hope it's pretty clear for you, but if it's not, just write me in the comments. So, this was the end of my lesson. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely like I have enjoyed doing it. I hope you have learned lots of things, and please write me in the comments about your ideas. I know I speak too much English in this video, in this channel, but it's because my lessons are basically for beginners. But if you need more profound lessons with completely only Ukrainian language in them, write me in the comments. If you are so brilliant in speaking Ukrainian, and maybe I will help you. We will make some tasks together, so don't forget. Of course, don't forget to subscribe not to miss any other videos. Give this video a huge thumb up. Listen to all the songs which I left as an example in my videos. They are great. And we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.